So this episode, going back to the old workshop, figuring out the Maico, putting it back together, and then you'll actually see what happens to it. And what I did to it, pretty much not good. But then it'll take you up to present day, and then you can see all the stuff that I've been doing on it since, because it is going to go to the Malle Mile this year, which is super exciting. Once again, took it there 3 years ago. You'll find out what happened. But yes, Malle Mile this year, absolute blast on it. If you haven't booked tickets yet for the Malle Mile, please do. It's an awesome festival. Check out the video on here at the end so you can actually figure out what the festival's all about. So as you saw, put the bike back together, but it didn't all go to plan. This is what happened at the Malle Mile when I took it there.
Oh, where have I put it now? Oh, it's down there. Malle Mile. And arrived yesterday. How awesome was that? Arrived yesterday, started the Maico, went fine, perfectly. Didn't think of putting the camera on because we were just warming up, just going around having a bit of a laugh. And today, well, last night actually, Maico decided to stop working. Couldn't understand why. So I'm in the middle of now just taking the whole head off, just to find out what's going on. Everything seems fine down there. Just tighten it up now, put the exhaust back on. The exhaust is there, everything's everywhere. Wish me luck. Quick update on this one. So, Bike went perfectly fine on Thursday night, as you can see in this video here. My own fault. Well, I say it's my own fault, it probably isn't. Engine's never been rebuilt. In 32 years my dad had it, never been rebuilt. Crank bearings are gone. Understandable. We put it all back together just in time for this show. Unfortunately, it couldn't handle it. It couldn't handle what was doing to it on Thursday night. Yeah, rather than doing more damage, let's not use it this weekend. Let's find another bike.
So as you saw at the Malle Mile, few attempts at taking the engine apart, but what I actually found was that the connecting rod and the crank bearing, the main crank bearing, pretty much bent and seized and all sorts. What I will be doing next week is putting the bike back together. I'll take you on that journey, new everything, complete rebuild engine, and then we'll take it to the Malle Mile. So if you haven't got your tickets again, please book to go to the Malle Mile. It's absolutely awesome. I might see you there. In fact, I'll probably definitely see you there, especially at the after party. And if you like what you see, subscribe, follow me on these other builds, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you next week.